morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Good.
Steve Matumato, we are here at Kisimani in Isiolo.
Leo tuko Kisimani Eco.
I'm the manager of Kisimani Resort.
Kisima Echo at Isiolo, where we have been since yesterday.
Yeah, Barigan. What's up everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Steve Matumato. We are here at Kisimani Eco Resort in Isiolo. They invited us today to come and see their awesome property. So let's get ready for this tour. First things first, we do the nature walk, then we do the rooms where we do a small meeting with the management. They tell us more details about this amazing economy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel before we start. Now we can start. Now I'm with my guys. So this is
Livingstone from Preen Safari.
Preen Safaris.
This is Francis from Capture Africa Adventures and Events.
Yes.
This is Sameul, the
Kadere. Our pilot. And this is
Melvin from Keitan.
Safari. Anasema bariki wazazi.
Yeah, bariki wazazi.
And then we have.
And this is Momani from Instameet Safari.
Ujamani mu Kenya. Very nice. So we are starting off with the first order of the day. Nature walk, and I think we are ready. So two operators, team building facilitators, transport guys, and let's go do this nature trail. Thank you, Kisimani, for having us. Cheers.
You go 1.5 kilometers. I happen to see some baboons there. That's like
we are ready, let's go do this. So we've started the nature trail.
So sometimes when it's hot, here you from this place,
it's over 800 years old. It's over 800 years. The local name is Mangement tree. 800 years old.
Over 1800 years. And we are here to take pictures with them. And we hope you are going to enjoy.
We have a tree and flower nursery that tuna introduce the indigenous trees. Yenye hata mkikuja hata small prize tunawapea. Hata ukienda upande hiyo mti, even if si wewe itakuja kusaidia, one day there in another generation itakuja kusaidia.
Cleanse your hands if willing to a faith. And then Yeah. Very nice.
Refreshing.
In fact, nataka kutoa ushuhuda. No, it is very nice. Hiyo maji kuna venye it is refreshing. Maji unakunywa inaingia karibu ingie kwa tumbo. Very nice.
We have 3 main grounds. Kuna this small ground for small occasions. Tunaonyesha another big one, and then we have another for camping set. So
My Eco Resort in Isiolo, I'm happy. I'm feeling like I'm home. Imagine 3 fields for team building. So for us, we always are looking for perfect venues that you can have the team building. Imagine having a team building here and you're surrounded by what environment of nature, the place is quiet, the place is chill. It's just amazing. And then as a factor, come and do different here. Just one. They're planning to have food very soon. So this is the starting point. This is a long time. It's line. And it's just 200 meters.
Amazing experience.
camping, and then what was there. Vizuri zaidi itasaidiwa watu 20 to 30, a group of 30. If you have a meeting, unakuja hapa, your breakfast, lunch, dinner, you can be set here.
So we are heading to the cottages. They are here. The cottages are just here. This is what we call the interconnected room. This is room number 1. It has its showers inside there. It's a first bed. And something amazing about this room is this accessibility. So you can move from this side and then you come toward this side, and then you have 2 interconnecting rooms. And you wake up with this kind of view, and the view of the other cottages there. So welcome to Kisimani Resort, 1 year old. And
hi guys, my name is Melvin from Mell and Travel. Leo tuko Kisimani Eco Lodge Resort. Oh, this is one of their cottages. It's called Kina. It's beyond the world. It's beyond. I can't even explain. Come in.
As you can see, we have 3 cottages in the
rooms, they are perfect for families.
perfect for families.
Yes.
Also, we have others without, they are connected.
Ah, fantastic. So this one is has upstairs.
This one has an upstairs.
Yeah, we have been from yesterday, and it is definitely an amazing place. You need to check out this place because it has zip lining. Major activities include the nature walk, and the rooms are superb. Let me show you. this was my home yesterday, and of course you can see the state of art bed, somewhere you can discuss business as you have this time with your loved one. The washroom is ukiingia kwa mambo limechemka sawa sawa, you just show them so they can see what they get when they come to Kisimani. And of course, for the loved ones, we have the robes here. Unajipanga mambo sawa sawa, mnavaa hiyo na mpendwa wako. Mambo ina. This is Jim from Unique Preen Safaris, where we experience uniqueness. Karibu sana.
Awesome experience at Kisimani Resort. It's where you feel at home and everybody should visit this place.
Live at Kisimani, we are very glad to be here. It's been nice, it's been fun, it's been rain.
An afternoon at Kisimani at Isiolo, where we have been since yesterday, and for sure it has been amazing, it has been good. You need to come and check out this place.
My name is Anton Kataka. I'm the general manager at Kisimani Resort. Hoteli yetu is an eco friendly. Na tuko na swimming pool, tuko na rooms, tuko na team building, tuko na camping, and we welcome everybody on board.
It's from Isiolo. So at least we've been able to do Buffalo Spring, we've been able to do a game drive at Samburu National Reserve, and our stay at Kisimani has been awesome. So we'll give you the rates and anything that you want to uncover about this trip, kindly do it on our pages, on our inbox, and our number 0713 281 493. We will answer any query about this trip. Thanks guys, and keep it captured nature. Take also more details and description of the hotel from Steve Mato YouTube channel. Subscribe to his channel and also like and share his content. Thanks guys.
Guys, that was Kisimani.
Ooh, it was perfect.
Yeah.
The ambience here is out of this world.
Yes.
Everyone should come to Kisimani. Whenever you're in Isiolo, come
Yes.
to Kisimani.
And it's yes. Yes. You really done it. Yes. The place has been amazing, but yes. And by the end of our tour, it started rain.
It's fantastic.
Have you enjoyed your stay here?
I've enjoyed so much.
From Unique Preen Safaris.
Unique Preen Safaris. How was the experience? How was Kisimani Resort?
Kisimani has been amazing.
Yes.
Tumekuna, tumeshiba. The ambience here is top notch.
Top notch. And we
Top
are
notch.
in Isiolo County.
Isiolo. Imagine, mahali
Yes,
hapa
yes.
kuna green inakaa green mzuri.
Mzuri sana. Manze imekuwa real, tumejibamba sana. We have come to the end and the sad bit of our trip today, because it's coming to the end of Kisimani Resort tour. We stayed at the hotel, we had the meals, we did the nature walk, we did the zip lining, we saw the team building fields. We have experienced everything that is possible within the shortest time that we are here. We are a bunch of team building facilitators, tour operators, and great people who are doing great things, as you've seen from the video. So what I'll urge you is, if you see this video, make a point of visiting this awesome and amazing eco resort. And if they say eco, we've seen the garden. They are doing the spices, they have the vegetable, they are all organic. Everything here they are doing is organic. Even pest controlling is organic. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share with someone maybe who is interested in visiting Isiolo. These are one of so many things that you can experience here in Isiolo. So if you will, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ciao, up until
Goodbye. Thank you so much for being in this vlog. We have really enjoyed our stay at Kisimani and seeing the facility, learning more about what they offer, and now it's time to go to Nairobi. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Steve Mato brings premium content, hidden gems, and there are hidden gems that you can access, not so hidden. Ciao.
Subscribe to Steve Mato YouTube channel.
thank you.
Share, subscribe Steve Mato channel. Don't forget to watch the ads. Anataka kulipwa.
Don't forget to subscribe to Steve Mato YouTube channel.
Kiongozi hapa anaitwa Steve Mato, the baddest team builder in town. Check him out. Ensure you rush to his YouTube channel. Watch, view, subscribe, and ensure you leave a comment for your team building.
Thank you.